Hi guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how to make a chicken ramen. This recipe is perfect for cold winter days when you're sick of the old traditional chicken soup. I just used organic chicken broth, whole wheat noodles and shredded chicken to make this dish taste delicious and healthy. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So bring a saucepan to the boil, add the eggs and allow that to bubble for 6 minutes. Remove the eggs and we're going to place them just into an ice bath. Now we'll take one chicken breast, approximately 240 grams. We'll cover with cling film and we'll flatten until the same thickness all over. Now we'll remove and regard the cling film. And now we'll season both sides of the chicken with salt and pepper, a pinch of onion powder and a pinch of garlic powder. Now place a large frying pan over a medium heat and spray with some low calorie cooking oil. Add the chicken and cook on one side until golden, approximately 5 minutes. We'll flip and we'll cook the other side until it's fully cooked through. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and drop a comment down below. Now we remove the chicken from the heat and we're going to set it to the side. We'll clean the pan, return this to the heat and spray with some more oil. Now to the pan I'm going to add 1 carrot that's been cut into thin strips, 5 scallions that have been finely chopped, 50 grams sliced mushrooms, half a teaspoon of freshly ground ginger, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, and we're going to fry those for a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding 240 ml of good quality chicken stock, 2 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce, half a tablespoonful of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sweetener, and we're going to cook the broth for 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes I'm going to drop in 1 bok choy that's been quartered and we'll cook it for the final few minutes. Now once the stock is ready, it's time to serve. I've cooked 80 grams of dried whole wheat noodles and added them to a bowl. Now I've sliced the cooked chicken and I'm going to place it on top of the noodles. Add the bok choy and ladle over the cooked broth. We take the peeled eggs, slice them in half and add them to the bowl. And garnish with some chopped spring onions. Now folks, again, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.